डायरेक्टर्स. हाँ. क्या मिला रखा है सीन भाई.
My bad.
300 रुपए के लिए.
Uh,
Hi guys.
Welcome back to DTF.
First, we'd like to issue a public apology for everyone that watched the first episode.
It was a pilot. I mean, it's fine, but I have gotten a lot of DMs saying ki Mohak bestiality is not a joke. Don't make such jokes.
इसको भी okay.
Fuck you. It is a joke to me. I don't do that shit with my dogs, but
He doesn't suffer from bestiality. He enjoys every minute of it.
facts.
Not every minute, every 5 seconds of it, because
Yeah. 5 seconds,
it's
man.
movie, like I'd last that much too.
Shut the fuck up, bhai. Every time.
Checkmate. दूसरी बार करा है मैंने ये. 3 second take है. Actually, Uno. Me yelling Uno with 25 cards of my, but I can't put these up my hands. क्या? फिर भाई. मम्मी मत बन.
Yeah, yesterday I was talking to someone, right? And she said she wanted to puke. And I was like,
Same, homie, same.
Why the thing is, she wasn't even disappointed. She was just like, I expect this shit from you at this point. And
Podcast है ना, तो अब तो bitches,
nahi, please,
ladies, one at a time.
one at a time.
VNTTF. Dude, stop.
Bhai, but like, I'm not kidding. Having a podcast, like, it is such a brag. Like, you could go up to people, like, a girl asks you, what do you do for a living? And you're like,
Actually, me and my
bitch, podcast है अपना.
bitch मत बोले यार.
क्यों नहीं?
Women are not object भाई. ऐसे नहीं तू कर सकता object.
Literally, I have all the ones that I've met are like, we are objects, treat us like one.
Please, this is not. Are you okay, बच्चों? Are you? लगी तो नहीं बच्चों? Babil Khan है.
Babil Khan, yes.
I am a Babil Khan, but actually, I hate periods.
भाई तू माइक पकड़ ले.
Mic पकड़ा हुआ है.
The thing is, I tell you, last time I was editing the damn video, your ass was just like,
But this time हमने सीधा कनेक्ट कर लिया ना फोन में, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए.
audio is still
क्योंकि
audio.
मेरा
If you
दिमाग
don't-
अच्छा है. क्योंकि मेरे में
Oh my
इंटेलिजेंस है.
god, IQ level drops every time I talk to you.
We share the same brain cell.
Oh fuck, man. Hold the mic near
ये
you.
जगह भी मैंने डिसाइड करी है.
Oh yeah, it took us about 3 hours. It took us 3 hours.
I think it's
He came to my house at 1:30. It's 4:30. It's 4.
मैं पापा की घड़ी पहन के आ.
मेरा टाइम खराब है.
तेरा टाइम सही में खराब
टाइम ही खराब है.
तेरा सही में टाइम खराब है भाई.
Yeah.
Bro, his ass is not getting.
सही है.
4:40 हो रहे हैं ना. हाँ तो I came here at 1:30. I left at 12. फिर थोड़ा टाइम लग गया मेरे को. फिर तनिष्क के घर जाके रिंग लाइट भी लानी थी, जो चल नहीं रही.
Yeah.
चल नहीं रही. मैंने
Shout out Tanish for giving us the ring light that doesn't work. Sindhi.
हाँ. तो वो फिर हमने 3 घंटे हम बैठ के डिसाइड करे थे हम आज क्या बात करें. हम सजेशन
हाँ, I call the society people कि if I can do it in the theater, like we have a theater in the society, so I was like, let's just shoot there. It's like a weird place. Nobody will expect us to be in the theater or anything. And they were like, nahi, hum nahi. They gave me no. Their argument was, it is a public area. You can't shoot here. I'm like, it is a public area. We are the public. It is public. Okay, cool. Exactly. Let us shoot. He's like, no. Yeah.
फिर दूसरे वाले ने क्या बोला कि बस किसी और की शक्ल मत लेना.
Yeah. So now we're in this chess room where this motherfucker doesn't know how to play chess. So
I know.
I was
Or
expecting
moves
it to
like
be-
L. ये 2 चलता है पहली बार में. हाथी ऐसे जाता है, हाथी ऐसे जाता है, and checkmate.
this shut the fuck up.
This is chess. You yell chess ना जब वो हो जाता है. Chess. नहीं.
Okay.
मैंने जगह ढूंढी.
Now I'm regretting having you on here.
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था ये. तो हमने जब पिछली बार सजेशन मंगाए थे, लाइक मृदुल शॉर्ट आउट डिक्स.
Bro literally wanted us to talk about penises.
What's wrong with talking about dicks?
No problem.
I have one. The people watching
Probably have one.
have one. Even girls have one. Like girls have a metaphorical dick.
Yeah.
You know, like this.
They want dick. We
I
have
was
dick.
talking to a girl and she said, why don't you suck my dick? And I was like,
We're like,
वो cat meme देखी वो कहती when she pulls down her pants and comes down her schlong, but it's low-key way too much fun. Like it's better, and you're like a cat and playing with.
no, no, what kind of meme do you have?
मैंने नहीं देखा. मेरा feed normal है. But like like girls be like कि
Suck my dick. Ma'am, sure. Oh,
take turns.
women with good pussy sound think they control you. Yeah, you do.
Me when a bad
Me
bitch
when-
tells me to do something.
There are meme references at this point.
Chronically online है ना बहुत, तो भाई करना पड़ता है.
This man is so gay. He's drinking. Very passionate.
So I just want a fun colored drink. What's wrong with having that?
That's gay, man.
Can't let a guy drink in peace.
I am having a mojito because I couldn't decide anything else. This is as vanilla as it gets.
Red और blue color की है ये अंदर से. It is a fun drink and not boring as.
Mojitos are fun. Any day, mojito over like anything else. Mojito ही बोला.
मैंने बैग लिया ना. इन स्पॉन्सर के पैसों से हम लोग ये सब करेंगे.
Bro, please, man, please like the video. Please like the video and subscribe to us if you want us to make more videos. I mean, like, we are gonna do that regardless. We'll be doing that regardless. Yeah, we'll be doing that regardless. But yeah.
Dislikes दिखते हैं YouTube पे.
नहीं.
Yes! You करो dislike बैठ गया. For every dislike you make, I'll make 2 new IDs and negate your effect. That's what I'm doing.
This is how jobless.
क्या कर रहा है बहन? चल ठीक है, तू जाता है काम पे. I respect that. हाँ, तो हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? हाँ, कि you were talking to someone.
Huh. And yeah, I mean, like, I just make an impression on them. Then I can't even disappoint them. This is expect me to do the most wild shit.
कि
And
मोहक ही तो है.
कि मोहक है ये. He is like
Tell
this.
them about your trip.
Oh yeah. Recently I went to Kullu, Jibbi, and eh?
Reels पे देख के जो reels चल रही है अभी सारी.
I don't know, bro. They were like कि भाई जिब्बी चल रहे हैं, and we saw a few properties Airbnb पे. They booked a random one, and I was like, done है bro.
अच्छी थी.
अच्छी थी. And hold the mic, man.
मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा.
नहीं, but still hold it near.
बोलूंगा तो कर लूंगा.
Okay. So we booked an Airbnb and we just went. But the thing is, the only part about that trip that I hate the most is 15 घंटे we were sitting in a traveler.
क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था?
Bro, if I didn't have my phone, damn.
तो बाकी सबसे बात करते दोस्त गए तेरे.
भाई look, half the time we are sleeping. If I'm being very honest, नींद आ ही जाती है when you're traveling. You can't be, भाई at a point social battery dies. हाँ?
उल्टियाँ नहीं आई किसी को.
For other reasons.
You probably would have been like, भाई
Not everyone. Only पसंदीदा औरत.
There's no such thing as person. Why have one bitch when you can have 2?
Why have 2 when you can have 4?
And they'll probably think we're like that, but we're not. I am loyal to my talking stages.
Stages. Plural. I am loyal to my...
Talking stage. मतलब talking stage भी like at a time. It's
I am talking to 5 only.
So what
At a time I'm only talking to 5 only.
you're talking to 5?
You are talking to 5.
I am not talking to 5. But if hypothetically you're talking to 5, you already know which one's your favorite,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So like 5.
This man keeps a roster.
It is a. I don't have a roster.
Shut the fuck
I
up,
don't have
man.
a roster now.
You
People
used
know
to.
I have it.
But you used to.
I used to, but I didn't do anything.
Yeah, but shifting the topic.
And the thing
Shifting
is-
the topic.
No. The thing is, you have a roster only when you don't need it.
Man, I swear to God, every time, I'm like, bhai, this one. let's do this shit,
Like,
man.
if
Things are going real well. Random women will start texting me, like
And
the
this
ones I
is the
don't
real
want. Like I mean, I would have wanted them if I was like, you know, not being mentally like committed to loyal to one, like mentally. Let's say I'm not dating them for per se. I'd have like five, 6 women texting me in the DMs, bro. I'm not kidding. Like,
इससे
क्यों
पहले
क्या
दिखा रहा था
चाहिए? हाँ?
इससे पहले दिखा रहा था तू. Not specifically.
Not specifically, but yeah, it's
And it is
fucking
very
annoying.
because it has not happened once or twice.
It always happens. It always happens. It's so annoying. कि भाई, where the fuck were you when?
जब चाहिए and DMs में ये
Not-
सुपर उठता हूँ मैं 10 reels from मोहब्बत रहा है like bitch.
Sorry. that one jobless motherfucker at 3
क्या
AM.
भाई ये देख. And I said ठीक है भाई. And then I give the little laugh reacts like a treat. इस वीडियो पे करूँगा, इस वीडियो पे, इस पे नहीं करूँगा, मसला. ये अच्छी नहीं लगी.
Yeah, but like coming back to that, bro, like right now I'm happy where I am. Yet, bro, he's not. But yeah, so I'd still have like women in my team, and I don't want that. क्या?
दहेज तो मिलेगा ही.
Of course. Of course.
So, like, basically, the thing is, for me personally, it is a good time for a short while. Like, it's just temporary happiness. कि कुछ महीने बहुत अच्छा होगा, बहुत मजे आएंगे. And randomly, one day, never me, always a woman. Like, बोल देना कि
Not every woman,
not every woman.
but always one of them.
And good luck choosing.
Choosing.
Yeah.
Choosing.
बदल कर देता हूँ हर बारी.
Choosing. I have a friend college में, she says honey shing.
Gurpreet ma'am, is that you?
Bro, I swear, it's so funny.
Grammatical error side, please.
Choosing हो जाता है, choosing हो जाता है.
Better than not. अच्छा वो तू ही था, sorry. हाँ, तो good luck choosing a bear over a guy.
TikTok पे चल रहा है ये सब. क्या चल रहा है ये? I'd choose a bear over a guy. Bro, you won't be able to survive. That motherfucker's penis is bigger than your face. Bear dicks are huge.
Weird observation, but okay.
Let's not get back to bestiality. Let's get back to bestiality again.
We're not. Huh?
Hmm?
I mean, can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? Cute, I bears are cute. Swanky bears, so women. तो
I'd like to talk about how I brought up women last episode.
randomly that too.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I've had those similar experiences where they'll give me a lot of attention and care and everything, and then they'll just be like, Mohak, I think we should just be friends. Man, why were you on my dick? Why were you on my dick if you want to just be friends? Attention चाहिए थी, मांग लेती बहनचोद. मांग ही लेती, दे देता है.
ये तो रही था.
But why like fuck with me and do it? Like if you just be like Mohak attention चाहिए, sure man, I'll give you some. But घुमा फिरा के, why get me emotionally invested? Fucking assholes, man, I swear. Similar is okay. I was not going to bring it up last episode, but फिर हुआ क्या कि
similar thing kind of happened.
हाँ, इसने मेरे को बताया कि इसके साथ similar experience हुआ recently, and I was like, this is annoying. Details पे नहीं जाते हैं, but
Basically, it was the same thing. Like, if
and
you're
okay,
not-
for the record, this man is sweet as fuck. Like the shit that he told me he was going to do for her and shit, bro, pretty damn cute. But no homo or no diddy, but like,
if you were
Yeah.
a girl,
I'd hate, bro. Fuck, damn. Yeah, now go ahead. Explain your side. Huh?
yeah. So, मतलब it's ठीक है. Like you get to learn stuff, but I don't want to learn anything. अब नहीं सीखना भाई. Character development
नहीं चाहिए, हाँ.
My character would develop into a villain भाई. 3 दिन मेरे साथ ऐसे ही होता है जब भी कुछ खत्म होता है. I'm like, why have one page and you're gonna have two?
Why I have to when you can have
And the thing is, when you desperately need a roster, it does not.
It does not exist.
I'm like, भाई किसको text करूँ? मतलब
This is something I've learned coming from school to college. Like ये बड़ा जितना हुआ हूँ मैं,
कितना बड़ा हुआ है
स्कूल लाइफ में
short people be like
I'm talking about school life in general. स्कूल से जब तक मैं कॉलेज में आया, मेरे को एक चीज समझ आई है कि if I like genuinely I'm like कि भाई ये चाहिए ये चाहिए ये चाहिए, unless you're like asking your dad for a fucking toy, that is not what I'm talking about. Like if let's say in like general, let's say कि भाई ये लड़की पसंद है, ये वाली चाहिए चाहिए चाहिए, doesn't happen. It is because mentally
act nonchalant.
you don't act how you normally act. You start acting different.
You think with a different head.
Yeah, different head.
Different head.
Yeah, so I never end up pulling then, and it is weird. I mean, and when I'm just being myself, bro.
I think you should stop being yourself around women.
I should.
But no, that तभी असली वाली मिलेगी.
Say what?
Also, basically what I was trying to say is कि it happened. The 3-month rule, I don't think it's a real thing, but apparently girls do.
3-month rule.
Ki it's basically like you test out someone, 3 months, it's like a very good time, a very happy time, but then you lose interest. Because this generation, romance is dead. It's either the 3-month rule, the 6-month rule, that rule, this
I
rule.
personally think the 3-month rule is fine. Look, some people use the word love in the first few weeks.
Love at first sight is not a thing.
Not first sight, I'm saying they would say that they love that person in the first few weeks. I personally think you feel that way because it's just that phase of yours. Everything
It's
is
just
cute,
that
everything is...
heart eye filter in your eyes.
Yeah, everything is all cute and shit. So I give it at least 3 months to 4 months. Ki if I still feel the first day wala scene for 3 months after,
But see,
this is the right
it
place.
it only hurts one person out of the two of them, the one who is more invested. Like it would always be easier
That
for
personally
another
never
person.
happened to me.
Like if it happened, like the 3-month rule, whatever, if it exists, so like the person that does not feel the same way, कि उसको नहीं है इतना, so he'll have the upper hand to end it.
Bhai, but 3 months is where I give it now. Like if after 3 months you've been going out, you have been spending a lot of time together.
Time, effort, money.
Yeah, exactly. If you're giving everything, time is all that a man can give. So that is like the most expensive thing for us. I mean, but my point is ki according to us, that's our point of view. So after 3 months, if I still feel the same that I felt the first day, then I'd say it. And I don't think...
I did, but it still didn't go well. But it's okay.
Bhai, okay, let me bring that shit up as well. This happened to me in college recently.
Okay.
Uh,
College stories.
Let's just say peanuts.
Can I do the wo thing ki whenever like someone makes a good point, I'm like slurp क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
तू बुलबुले फैला दे बुलबुले.
ओए कूल लग रहा है. कुछ बोल तू कुछ भी रैंडम चीज.
Balls. Damn. Autistic as fuck.
College stories.
Bhai, okay, I'll give you like a bit detailed one, not as context.
मुझे भी चाहिए थोड़ा context. Like क्या ऐसी बोल दे.
Okay, not taking names, but she was giving me all her attention. She was getting me shit too, like genuinely going to stores buying me shit. And I would do the same. Like if she's like giving the same amount of attention and time, I'd be like, okay. My brother convinced me to ask her out. My friends convinced me to ask her out. I was like, should I? Should I really do it?
Yeah.
No, because the thing is, I wasn't actually trying to pull her. Like the entire time, I was just being myself.
And wasn't this like a rebound kind of thing? Like वो इससे पहले वाला भी recent हुआ था and then you were like
कौन सा?
Like you वो ना.
हाँ. That is a different story. But like so personally I gave it time and everything. Yet she's like, I just think of you as a
I
friend.
don't see you that way. Oopsie.
Oopsies. Did I bring up the fact that they go ahead and say ki, at least to me, because I'm not that tall, I'm like 5'4". They are like mohawk. No, I'm not.
If you were a bit-
I am. No. I don't ask them out. I don't say anything, and then they
And they'll
just.
randomly like, if you were a bit taller.
भाई नहीं चाहता भाई तेरे को मैं. Did I say कि if you had bigger breast?
I mean, you wouldn't say no, but like.
Yeah, I mean like you should.
But I didn't ask it, but
Yeah.
like, okay. It's like telling a fat girl, like if you were
a little thinner.
if you were not that much horizontally challenged, I would be like,
Into
you. Did you watch Inside Out? Because I want to eat your insides.
Moving on. Yeah, so that happened. Like she's like, and then she started dating this bhai, that I don't want to go and
Wait, I think
shit on another man.
I think I know. Okay, koi nahi, leave that part out.
I don't want to shit on another man, but let's just say
Clearly better.
he said it.
Because I'm a dude talking
Facts.
cool. We're going to make it a thing now. So
We need a
at
soundboard.
college
We need a
का हुआ था
soundboard.
कि
We need a soundboard.
I have it on my phone, but like for recording. We'll get
हमारा
so
खुद
मेरी-
का बनाना है, खुद का बनाना.
Done है, खुद का बनाएंगे. हाँ, तू कॉलेज से स्कूल का क्या बोला? इससे पहले
Shifting from college to school. I've just like personally like the maturity level and everything. I've understood ki like if I try to pull every time, I fuck it up. I don't know how to like.
भाई and dates are expensive. Like it's one thing to try out someone, it's another thing to burn a hole in my pocket. And I told you, na, like I went with a girl and like she didn't even do the check dance. Like it's okay, I'll pay. I don't mind. paying for
Of
the-
course. Like look, personally saying, first dates wala scene. If you ask them out, you pay.
Yeah, exactly. Like, it
Second
depends
date,
on the person.
second date, third date, whoever asked the other person out pays, and I think after the third date, it should be split. It should be
yeah,
like
because,
I mean,
like, we're not
or
earning that much.
or have a better thing that my brother told me that he used to do when I mean he's married now, but he used to tell me ki one time he pays, next time she pays.
That's fair.
It works out. I mean,
See, personally for me, like I like spoiling the person I'm going out with. So like, and it's not even just like when you're dating someone. Even you guys are like, if I have money, I'll spend it on you, because I like spending on like
the people I care about.
Yeah,
Huh?
exactly. So like, I don't mind paying for that stuff, but थोड़ा अरे नहीं मैं कर देती हूँ. अरे नहीं.
That always
Yeah,
obviously.
like, that just makes all the difference. Like because it like tells you what kind of person you're with. So I think that goes a long way, and because the first date like is the deciding factor whether you will go on with that person or not. So I think even if the person offers to pay,
Personally, first date, I wouldn't want them to do the check dance because, like, bro, if I'm the one who planned everything. I was the one who,
that is the different thing.
I was
If
the
you're
one who-
asking them out, yeah.
yeah, I asked them out. I go and get them, take them to the place, and rob my bro. It's my
See,
own
a real
scene.
one would say, gamble that money instead. Double it and split it.
Most gamblers quit before
98% of the gamblers quit right before winning big. Let that sink in.
Stake पे पैसा लगाओ, Drake.
मेरे को बहुत भीड़ हुई थी कि भाई लगा लो क्या. But फिर मैंने
Why there are a lot of
दोस्तों का
people.
सुना कि
There are a lot of people in college, bro, that are doing it. Like they're like sitting in college. They're just sitting in college and doing it.
तो उनके पास बाप का पैसा नहीं.
खुद का भी होगा. Who
खुद
the
का
fuck
भी
knows?
होगा, but like I care about my money. I'm not gambling. On stake, casinos are a different thing, but I'm not allowed in casinos. I'm banned from casinos. हाँ, so what we were talking about, dates.
लड़की को छेड़ने का मना करा ना तेरे को मैंने जाके.
तो भाई सनग्लासेस क्यों पहन कर आया हूँ मेट्रो में? देखते रहो, किसी को भी देखना है. लाइक पुडिंग आंटी थी. आई वाज लाइक डैम, अब किसको पता चलेगा मैं घूम रहा हूँ.
सही बात है.
तो डेट्स की बात करें तो लाइक एक्सपेंसिव तो होती हैं, बट आई टोल्ड यू ना वन टाइम आई वेंट आउट एंड लाइक वी बेसिकली कैफे हॉप एंड एवरीवेयर शी वाज लाइक, जब बिल आया शी वाज लाइक एंड भाई एक जगह पे 4,000 का बिल, ठीक. एक जगह पे वी जस्ट ऑर्डर ड्रिंक्स, वी वेंट फॉर द ड्रिंक्स, 2,000 का बिल. एंड लाइक एक जगह वी वेंट फॉर बोबा, that was like a separate, I think 1,400, 1,500. So like everywhere I was,
इतना महंगा बोबा कहाँ पी रहा है तू?
I think it was
1400 दो बोबा 1400.
something like that. I think we ordered like a dessert or something too.
Oh,
And
भाई.
that day I realized that I was not going on any more
Look,
dates
man,
for the
I
next
personally
3
don't care. Like, I mean, like, if she's making you pay all these things, like three meals in one day, three.
three different things. I
She
did
is
not
not
sign
the
up.
one.
I did not sign up for that. And she was one of those girls that ki bhai, I'm doing it for the gram, like kind of thing. Like jo kuch bhi hota tha, like she's like,
Are we talking about the?
probably. हाँ. So like, ठीक है.
That happened. You never told me.
Then ठीक है. एक डेट पे मेरे साथ पता कि her friend came over. Like, so personally not a good experience with dates. But yeah. It happens.
I mean, that is how it is. Some are nice, some are not. Bro, do you want to talk about dating apps?
Hinge एक बार ही डाउनलोड करा था मैं. नहीं, I think twice. Like after that whole incident after 12.
Recently, I was convinced. Recently, नहीं हो गया app time. I think like a महीना हो गया at least. I was convinced by let's not name her. She convinced a girl. She convinced me to download it because she was finding guys over there, and I was like, देख लेते हैं. Jobless तो हुई, तो मतलब है job. But like my point is कि like I have a lot of time to invest and download करा मैंने. Hinge download करा.
एक बार
I got I think at least like 5 matches first day. ठीक है, मैं बात करी. They all are like, hello, what are you doing? Try like, भाई नहीं करनी मेरे को भाई, ये सब क्यों
What
करना
is
है?
your favorite color? I don't have any more. What is your favorite colors left in me? I don't want to fish in the sea. I just want to sit down and have a drink, have a beer. हाँ,
It is
like Hinge, भाई,
the small talk, and like the fact that even if you're trying to be, you know, like funny, different,
it does not work on Hinge because the people there are like that.
Yeah, they want dick.
I mean, not just like we did that with your Hinge on Tanish's birthday, right? Like we just went to random women and just like.
Oh, no, wanna hook up. That's the second. This is the first time that I downloaded.
We got matches out of that as well. So that just shows the kind of person. And personally, to be honest, a good relationship never came from a dating app. Like call us old school, call us orthodox, but that shit is just.
Either it's a friend of a friend. Either it is a friend. or it is मम्मी ने लड़की ढूंढ ली.
Best option. I think
Best.
यही होगा. Best है.
I wouldn't be able to.
Like I got Hinge twice, and like the amount of lies you tell and you receive. I mean, literally the.
Boy, मैं तो 6 feet हूँ बैच.
नहीं मैं नहीं बोलता.
हाँ ठीक है.
नहीं पड़ता किसी
हाँ
को. नहीं बोलता मैं. उसमें लिखी होती है height.
हाँ, you can lie about it.
But I'm
हाँ, that day on Tanish का birthday ना, they made me lie about it.
हाँ वो चला लग.
They made me 5, 6, no wait, 5, 5, 7, 5, 8 बना दिया था. हाँ.
हाँ, so the thing is कि you're just talking to 10 different girls or whatever, and you're like lying to every one of them because I had downloaded Hinge.
Yeah, I'm just talking to you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I think, bro, I'm gonna delete this app because of you.
I am straight up that I got it just for the like sake of it. Like अब वो अलग बात है कि I like got serious with one of them, but that was a.
You want to talk about that?
The OP.
हाँ, bro, want to talk about that?
वो बात.
Good story. It's a good story.
It's a good story.
Next
but
episode.
yeah,
Next
we'll save it
episode.
for
What
some other
if you want to listen to that beautiful story?
we have to retain them, na somehow.
Yeah.
We tell everything in a single episode.
Yeah, exactly. Next episode.
So what I did was if I'm talking to like 4 different girls, like dry as fuck, I am very acoustic and I just say the most random things. I abuse women on that app. So I just tried out like it was an experiment. Like what if I talk to someone in personality 1, इससे personality 2 में बात करूँगा, इससे personality 3 में, and the responses were like quite ठीक है, okay, it would work, but that's just not me. But like yeah, dating apps are. I mean, imagine if you're like in a serious relationship with someone and like someone asks you, how did you guys meet? There's this app called Hinge. Oh, ick.
नहीं
So,
चलता
like,
है।
I think college is a good place to find like one of my best friends, like my
yeah.
best friend literally. So like he's in a very happy relationship, Mridul.
Yeah.
So like
Shout
I
out.
root for them.
Shout out. He's probably going to give us the DSLR next episode.
DSLR
Please दे दे भाई।
phone मेरा भाई
फट जाएगा उसका फोन।
DSLR sponsor. And the thing is कि मैं तो उनका third wheel हूँ, like I'm their adopted child. So Mridul and Anushka, shout out to you guys.
मम्मी पापा
And Mridul, sorry, आगे से मैं गलती नहीं करूँगा. He's mad at me.
हैं?
तो public apology तुझे भी. हाँ, but the thing is कि like college is a good place.
Friend,
Clubbing
look,
is not.
friend, no, clubbing is not.
Clubbing is not.
Clubbing scene, bro. I have been clubbing twice or thrice. No.
Same, 2 times I think. So clubbing is not a good place.
I love house parties more.
House parties, yeah, because it's like a kind of a safe environment. I mean,
No.
you don't know most people, but
Yeah.
like,
But I'd prefer house
imagine
parties.
you're hosting a house party, so like you'll know now everyone around you, like most of the people.
Most of the times.
Yeah, so it'd be a good place for you. And you have Kobe, chick magnet.
He is a chick magnet. I don't pull shit from that.
Yeah. So yeah, I think college is a good place.
College,
College is a
friend-
whole different atmosphere from what we had in school.
College, friend ke friend. Mummy ki choice. What else do we have?
That one random girl you see at the airport, or at
Bhai, trust me.
at a trip.
What's gonna go wrong, man? Like, जाके number मांग लो. Doesn't matter what your friend is like. कि भाई कितनी गंदी दिखती है, कैसी choice है. Go ask her number. क्या कहेगी?
You only live
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नहीं. Yeah, exactly.
Ask her out, ask for her number, take a JD pic, send it to us at DTF. Yes.
I mean, yeah, just like go ask her out. Like, what maximum she can say is no, right?
The one नहीं. मुझे तो लगा था तुम गी है.
I've had worse. I've had. Mohawk, you're such a nice guy. Like recent वाला तो इसकी मैं भी. Let me finish. Let me rephrase. Let me like not rephrase. Let me quote her. Mohawk, you're such a nice person. The girl that goes out with you would be so lucky, but I have only seen you as a I only see you as a.
He's typing in a corporate email.
Then why were you on my dick? Why?
I think I should get all the rejections I possibly can before I go for my masters, because I cannot handle any more rejections from universities. That's the thing that matters. हाँ, so what मैं क्या कह रहा था कि college is a good place. So like, and college is a completely different atmosphere.
But to be honest, कभी ना class में date मत करना.
I mean, my friend is doing that, but I'm like,
मृदुल.
not Mridul. But Mridul is also like, same class, but no, I'm talking about college friend, not important.
Okay.
ठीक है? So, I mean, I'm just watching from a distance and I'm like, this is a canon event. It'll happen. It'll pass soon enough.
The thing is, after you guys are like broken up or whatever, like most, like let's be very honest, not all, most relations don't work out. Most, at least in today's time, because the fact that now we have internet.
Everybody loses interest over the you've seen that reels that the guy is making a notes list, like a list of icks, and it's like, don't breathe, don't wear these shoes, don't do that, don't do this.
I mean,
You're like walking on eggshells.
yeah, those are women, and like you shouldn't be going out with in the first place as well. So it's okay.
But like, yeah, like college is
Attention.
like a wild place.
You lose attention. You lose what is it called, yaar? Basically, like after, let's say you have broken up or everything, and you're still in the same like class and everything, you still have to see them get along with other men.
Personal experience.
Personal experience.
Share kar raha hai.
Shit is not fun.
It's not rainbow.
Not anymore. Now I don't give a fuck. But before it was like I asked her out, she said no. Eh?
I think you've dropped too many hints.
I don't care, bro. If you're watching this, bro, your loss. Literally everybody that I met, they were like, Mohawk,
कोई नहीं यार.
koi nahi bhai, her loss.
You deserve better.
Yeah. And I'm being very honest. It didn't take me about even a week to get over you, bro. Like, so chill the fuck out. So.
कोई नहीं, but views चाहिए हमें. Subscribe. Subscribe, please subscribe.
Subscribe.
नहीं होता छोटा वो जो. कोई नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ. College is a weird place. Like I miss school.
Bhai, but I'm very honest, like after like these 3 years end, like it's the second year already. If like when the third year will end,
Not for me. Man. I'm still waiting for my CVT result, and I don't think so. I'm
oh
going to
yeah,
get
you
it.
might start over again in college now.
I don't think I will, but okay, leave it out. Jinx हो जाएगा.
But like when this gets over, I will miss it.
College.
Like we hated school yet when
But-
it finished.
See, the difference is school से you had 12 to 13 years of attachment. Like college से personally speaking मैं तो जाता भी नहीं, तो मेरे को नहीं है attachment.
मैं तो
जाता है. Like you're paying 50 lakhs for a course, so
I don't know how much I'm paying and don't say random numbers.
it is. जो भी है, but
I don't know.
But जो भी है, like you're going every day, you're making friends, you're going on trips, na. So like you're getting attached. I haven't been to a single college trip. I don't go to college that often. I just go to give my papers and like to submit assignments. तो मेरे को
करता
नहीं
क्या
है
है करता क्या है घर पे सोता रहता तू भाई you genuinely you're missing out on like
मेरे
actual
कॉलेज
fun.
में कुछ मिसिंग आउट नहीं हो रही.
मैं तेरे को अपने कॉलेज बुलाता रहता हूँ
तो मैं अपने कॉलेज नहीं जाता. मेरे को तू ये बोलता है मेरे कॉलेज आता है. नो, आई एम नॉट वेकिंग अप टू गो टू अ डिफरेंट कॉलेज व्हेन आई एम नॉट इवन गोइंग टू. माइन अटेंडेंस ले लूँ, उससे बाहर है.
लेट आ जा भाई तेरे को कौन बुला रहा है. ओ we'll talk about that later.
पर्सनल बातें क्यों कर रहा है भाई. ठीक है. एनीवेज तो लाइक नो, अब तो स्कूल की भी याद नहीं आ रही जो रिसेंट इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं. लाइक आई थिंक एवरी लैंसेरियन दैट इज वॉचिंग इट नोज, बट वी नॉट गोइंग टू लाइक वी लर्न फ्रॉम
Bring up Doraemon.
या
Bring up Doraemon.
नॉट ब्रिंग अप थिंग्स
Doraemon.
only we know about.
Doraemon.
We want to keep it general.
Doraemon. Our principal is Doraemon. देखी तूने वो?
Not प्रिंस कॉर्नी थी वो, कोई बात नहीं.
Yeah.
हाँ, सो द थिंग इज कि कॉलेज में तुम्हें 12 साल 13 साल तुम्हें कंफर्ट जोन में थे. तो जब तुम उन लोगों से हटते हो ना, क्योंकि frankly speaking, no matter how much you think your friend circle is the best and it's going to last, it's not. It is not. स्कूल के बाद देख लेना, या तो एक कुछ ऐसा इवेंट होएगा ट्रिगरिंग, या तो वैसे तुम्हारी नहीं बनेगी. सो या, बट आई लाइक पर्सनली आई लाइक स्कूल बेटर बिकॉज देयर आई हैड आवर हेड
Yeah.
and you guys were like head boy के दोस्त, so like you've had added benefits too. But like,
I was prefect. मजा आ गया.
जो सीढ़ियों से गिर गया था सबके सामने. कितनी गंदा भाई.
I fell off the
Some
stairs.
embarrassment.
The thing is, I think I liked the girl that time who was also looking.
जूनियर थी वो.
एक साल.
हाँ, and
Yeah, my taste has grown.
age wise और वैसे like
Both.
early-
Both.
like
Both.
15-year-olds, now I like 17-year-olds.
Yeah.
I think we should wrap it up.
Yeah, I think we should.
Okay, so guys, we're going to wrap things up for now, and we hope you enjoy this episode. And again, we are begging you.
Bhai, look,
we are
last
not
time-
going
last
to
time-
bring more fun stuff if you don't support us.
We will. But my point is कि last time also we didn't ask anybody to, we forgot about it if I'm being very honest. But by day 20 to 27, how many likes did we have? 22, 23. I think we had 22 likes and 27 subscribers or whatever. भाई अगर तुम 500 views दे सकते हो, like fucking like the video, man. You know the thing is, it is not because you liked it. It is more of कि हमारी
Only cool people listen to DTF. So if you're cool, you're going to hit the like and the subscribe and the bell icon. End video.